Welcome to the world of bench testing electronics with the FULLPROB. In this video series, we are going to show you how to correctly install your FULLPROB so that you will be bench testing automotive electronics as soon as possible. Before we begin, we need to choose an adequate space to work.
You will need room on the bench to connect more than one module. You also need room for your computer, your screen, a keyboard and mouse, as well as room for other tools like an oscilloscope, a scanner, soldering station, and programmers. Have a look at these images of other FULLPROB users' workspaces.
Now that you have selected your workspace, let's gather the supplies we'll need for the installation.
A laboratory power source. We recommend 10 amps. A PC with Windows 10 or later and an internet connection. The power cable that came in your kit. The USB cable. Check the email account that you provided to your salesperson. They will send you the link to download the software and your software key. First, download the installer by clicking on the link. Open the file, execute the installer. Once the installation is complete, you will need to activate the software. The software is encrypted and will only work when it recognizes your FULLPROB serial number and the software key that you received by email. Verify that your FULLPROB is off. Turn on the power source and set it to 14.5 volts. Connect it to the FULLPROB using the power cable. Connect the FULLPROB to your PC using the USB cable. Turn on the FULLPROB. Open the software. When the software recognizes your FULLPROB, the Start icon will appear. Select Start and you will see this dialog box. Select Download. Wait a few minutes. The software will shut down automatically when the download is complete. Open the program again, and when the Start button appears, you will be able to access all of the functions that are available for your user.
And now we're going to connect your FULLDIESEL.
You will need the power cable that came with the FULLDIESEL and the two 25-way connectors. The FULLPROB stays connected to the PC using the USB cable, and now needs to connect to the back of the FULLDIESEL using the two 25-way connectors. Remove the FULLPROB's power cable and use the FULLDIESEL's power cable to connect it to the power source. Turn on the power source, keeping it set at 14.5 volts. The power source should only be connected to the FULLDIESEL, and the PC only connects to the FULLPROB. The FULLPROB and the FULLDIESEL should be connected using the two 25-way connectors. If you're using an INMOBOX instead of a FULLDIESEL, you will need connector 1 that came with the FULLPROB and the ECU connector that came with the INMOBOX. The power source and the PC remain connected to the FULLPROB. Place connector 1 in the FULLPROB and ECU connector in the INMOBOX. Then connect the loose ends of the connectors. You can now use your INMOBOX with your FULLPROB.
And that concludes the installation process of our FULLPROB workbench. Be sure to join us in the next video where we're going to introduce you to the software and show you how to begin testing ECUs. Don't forget to subscribe and to activate the notifications so you'll find out when we post new videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.